What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete, back again after an episode of a kidney stone. It's pretty large, took me out for a couple weeks, but we're back. I'm feeling better, past it. It ain't one thing, it's another. 2020 is like something that we love to hit that reset button, but we can't. It's life. Not everything is, roses, or it all involves trials and tribulations. But we're here. I'm back at it. So you're gonna see some more content come through the pipeline. If you're subscribed, if you're not, maybe you'll see it in something that maybe strikes your instant somewhere else. But we're glad you're here now. As you see over my shoulder, we got the chassis back from powder coat, and we did a little extra special sauce. And we visited our friends over at Linex, and they did some Linex for us. It turned out pretty bitchin'. I think you're gonna enjoy it. Let's show you.
Take it all. From the dust and out from rubble, yeah. Iron steel, my bones won't crumble. No, no, no. Grabbing by the horns, that's what I'm built for. Born a renegade, I'm born a rebel, yeah. Somehow I will find the way, yeah. 'Cause I was born and I was made. Unbreakable, unstoppable, I'm pushed to the edge and take it all. I'm born to be untamable, I go right to the edge and never fall. Born with the fire, I'm taking it higher. Unshakable, unstoppable, I'm pushed to the edge and take it all. Take it all. I take it by the horns and don't let go. I climb to the top of the world.
What's up, Airkewld Army? I want to tell you about our store on Amazon, where the pros recommend the tools to get the job done right. You see a little eye up here. Make sure you click on it. You'll see all the little recommended tools for brake install, an air ride install, pro build beam install, all of them listed in categories where you can see you're supporting the channel, and we appreciate that. Let's get back to the film.